Meaning of hoist.
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 Hoist. The word hoist means to lift something heavy or bulky by means of ropes or mechanical devices. It can also refer to raising something to a higher position. Hoisting is often used in construction, shipping, and transportation. When you hoist something, you are using force to lift it off the ground, whether it be a rope or a machine. The result of hoisting is to move something from one level to another, whether it is onto a truck bed or up to a higher floor in a building. Overall, hoisting is an essential technique for moving heavy objects safely and efficiently.